Okay. Alright. State of play. So, first time ko ito mapapanood. Magre-react lang tayo sa State of Play 2025. Let's go. This program contains mature content that may not be suitable for all audiences. Hell yeah, ito na. Let's go. Persona? What is this? Intro lang ba to?
Emotion running through our veins.
Ooh.
Heartbeat.
Copyright?
Love is making waves. Emotion running through our veins.
Start pa lang ng video no? Copyright na agad.
Love is making waves. I'm facing my fears, not backing away. I'm facing my fears, not backing away.
Ano natin ng konti. Masyado malakas.
We're touching skin to skin. The body's there with it. We're feeling everything. We're only human.
Mga todo ba? There.
Superheroes can save us all in the end. We'll break away with it. We're only human. Emotion
Okay.
running through our veins.
Lumines.
Heartbeat. Love is
Arise.
making waves.
Oh, okay. PlayStation VR. Who's gonna buy that?
Hello from Enhance. I'm Tetsuya Mizuguchi. ディレクターの石原隆です。ルミネスアライズのトレーラー楽しんでいただけたで
Comedy
しょうか。
Squad.
この秋、PlayStation 5、PS
Optional sa PSVR 2. Okay.
ルミネスアライズはバラエティ豊かな曲と美しいビジュアルが没入感を高め、いつまでも遊びたくなるゲーム
Ang
体
kulit ng intro game nyo ah.
その世界はとても心地よく、プレイヤーを
Copyright
世
agad.
界へと導きます。
まあよくある普通のパズルゲームってことだよね。
Nice.
まあ、テトリスエフェクトを一度遊んだことがある人はわかると思う。
Tetris Effect.
ルミネスアライズはただのパズルゲームではありません。
夏にシングルとマルチプレイの体験版を配信予定です。ぜひ皆さん手に取って遊んでみてください。
Thank you and enjoy the rest of State of Play.
Right. Let's go. Ayos lang, ayos lang. Hindi yan para sa akin.
The future. It isn't just a dream. It's a promise. One we're turning into reality. With our third generation of Luna filament and advanced generative AI,
Luna.
we're reshaping the line between dreams and reality. We create life for our future. Delphi Corporation.
Delphi Corporation. Oh! Yun! Yung sinasabi ko magandang intro para sa ano.
And why are these things trying to kill us?
Noise. Ganda, ganda. Ganda ng pasok nitong game na to ah.
There you are. All better.
Huh?
You patched me up.
Capcom. Huh.
I am DI03367. They are pragmatic.
Hang on a second.
Don't you have a name or something?
I'm good. Get behind me.
I think I can help.
Targets identified. Neutralizing threats.
Us?
Looks like
Parang Mass Effect Andromeda no? na may pagka Death Stranding.
Firewalls, hooking control protocols. Initiating hack.
Pragmata. Oh, teka, parang nakita ko na to dati.
Hey,
Huh.
D.I.
I said I
Parang familiar siya.
Okay. Look, how about we call you Diana?
Diana?
Diana? Pragmata. 2026. It's real. Okay. Na-cancel ba to dati? Parang familiar siya sa akin eh. Pragmata oh. Nakalimutan ko lang siguro.
Oh, hey, today is Saturday, which means curry.
Oh,
Awesome, I love
what is this?
Speaking of curry,
Cartoons?
the current president is actually a humane. What does that mean? It's okay, I'll get it.
fun time.
Ang kulit ng graphics nito ah. Ito talaga yung graphics ng... Oh shit! What?
Guy, Romeo, listen up. You're gonna die in about 15 seconds. Seriously?
Look, kinakain yung kamay niya.
Don't worry, I made this just in case. The Dead Gear life support system. Don't move, okay?
Taka na sinaksak sa mukha. No!
You're already half dead. From now on, you're half dead man.
Half dead, man.
Pretty lame. Dead man. From now on, you're
No! Kala ko yung ganun yung graphics nila. Parang mas prefer ko yung graphics na yung kanina, yung mga cartoons. Nagmukha tuloy parang generic hack and slash tuloy. Ooh. Di ba? Parang nagmukhang ano. Nagmukhang Dead Rising. Okay. Di ba? Mukhang Dead Rising eh. Ultraviolet. Oh. Oh.
Romeo is a dead man.
Parang may twist dito sa game na to ah.
Maybe.
Maybe.
That was Grandpa's voice. Are you like a spirit? I'm on your back. What?
Grasshopper Manufacturer. Created by Suda51 and Ren Yamazaki.
皆さんこんにちは。グラスホッパーマネージャーの須田剛一です。いえ。皆さんトレーラーどうでした？グラスホッパーの久々の新作。
New title for
ロミオ
Grasshopper.
ザ・デッドマンです。
Okay lang.
いよいよ発表できました。このゲームはですね、主人公のロミオがロミオスターゲイザー。
Stargazer.
かっこいいでしょ。
Romeo Stargazer. FBI.
凶悪なですね指名手配犯をさまざまな時空に飛んで倒していくそんな、ブラッディなアクション
Para siyang police pangkalawakan,
今回は
no?
ですね剣だけじゃありません銃も使えますストロングスタイルのアクションゲームとして、チーム一丸となって頑張って作ってますそしてなんで、タイトルがですねロミオなのにデッドマンなのかそれは皆さんぜひ続行をお待ちください、プレイステーション30周年過ぎちゃいましたけどおめでとうございますそれでは引き続きステートオブプレイをお楽しみください
I love the enthusiasm there. Uy! Silent Hill!
サクコ、どこ行くの？こっち通るの珍しいね。今は誰かと喋りたくて。私も後から行くね。うん。じゃあね。裏切り者。
Alam ko ng Silent Hill to kasi nakita ko na to dati. Pero iniisip ko bakit yung Silent Hill na to? Bakit parang downgraded yung ano? Yung graphics niya.
いおばあちゃんまでいないなんてこんなの絶対に変。誰もいないし気味の悪い怪物がうろつき回ってるし。
Hina ko. Hina mo pala eh. Oh, no. Oh! Takbo, boy. Takbo, girl. Oy. Ano ba to? Parang Dead by Daylight ba to? Hahabulin lang siya ng hahabulin. Man.
Hinako. どこにいるの?
Yun, pumapalag pala siya eh. May pamalo pala siya eh.
いいよね。何でも持ってる。そんなあんたがいなくなってくれるんだからせいせいする。
Kala ko parang magiging hide and seek game lang to. Pero meron siyang pamalo eh.
寂しい。
So, ano nakakatakot naman yun? Uy!
ずっと一緒だよって約束したよね。暗いのは嫌。一人ぼっちは嫌。
Iba talaga. Iba talaga pag ano eh, no? Japanese horror ang tema eh. Sana hampasin mo agad! Oh! Wow! Silent Hill F.
裏切り者。
Yung graphics parang ano eh, no? PS5, Unreal Engine. Parang feeling ko ipoport nila sa mobile games to, mobile devices to eh. Alam mo yun, di ba? Yung hindi masyadong hindi masyadong state of the art yung yung graphics. Pre-order na, oh. Parang malaki yung possibility na ipoport agad nila yan sa mobile.
The castle has been sighted again. The
What is this?
orders are absolute. These human sacrifices must be
Oh.
stopped. We will track the Ethereal castle,
What?
break its gates, and exterminate the creatures that dwell within.
Akala ko Code Vein eh.
The Demon Lord himself
Ay pag Code Vein kasi yung graphics eh. Kung naging parang Castlevania.
will test the limits of your courage. You will face horrors beyond your darkest imaginings. Beasts that defy reason,
Ganda din naman ng graphics ha.
born of pure darkness.
Ayun lang. Yung mga ganitong game, kung sa PS1 lang, maintindihan ko pa eh kasi mahina yung device ng PS1, yung machine ng PS1 eh. Pero sa ngayon, parang yung mga side-scrolling na game na parang Metroidvania ang genre. Parang hindi na ako masyadong fan ng ganun kasi sobrang fan ako ng Symphony of the Night eh. Gustong-gusto kong laruin yun eh, sobrang ganda nun. Pero sa ngayon, sa modern gaming, parang bakit? Pero well, let's see. Yung latest Prince of Persia maganda naman, pero hindi ko siya nilaro kasi nga hindi na ako masyadong fan ng side-scrolling game at Metroidvania genre sa ngayon kasi sobrang dami ng pagpipilian ng game. Naiintindihan ko pa yung PS1, PS2 era, parang ino-optimize lang nila kung anong merong available na machine para sa kanila. Kaya ganun yung game na ginagawa nila. Well, let's see. Pag na-release na to, baka mali ako. Diba? I doubt it. Masyado siyang may pagka PS2, PS3 graphics eh.
With me. Cross.
May pagka-anime pa eh, no? Lahat ng special move eh, sinasabi eh. Bloodstained. The Scarlet Engagement. Bloodstained? Parang narinig ko na yung Bloodstained. Na-search ko nga yung Bloodstained.
So you've come, dogs of the church, right into the palm.
Oo nga, meron na talagang The Bloodstained dati. See, hindi ko to nilaro kasi side scrolling. Parang
The visuals of Shinjuku that I'm seeing
Bandai.
are a hellscape I can't quite put into words. You've somehow been sent back in time 8 years.
Wait,
But the situation
kaya
here
tama ba yung pagkaka
I'm counting
Digimon?
Regent. Our ultimate mission is to uncover the causality.
Oh, come on. Bakit puro
Phase electron life form.
Ba't puro may pagka
Digimon?
cartoon tsaka anime yung mga
Who exactly?
pinapakita nila?
I remember you guys.
Who or what is that?
You really don't know anything about the digital world?
Digimon?
Enemies for years now, but this is the first
Never a
time
fan.
Titans
Never a fan of Digimon.
We now believe
Kahit yung Monster Hunter sa PS1 eh.
stem from Digimon.
It seems the upcoming battle is truly unavoidable.
The world on this end is running out of time.
If the gate is opened with the digital world in such a state, the human world will most certainly be affected.
Do the Titans not care about the end of the digital world?
Stop it! That egg is very important!
Okay.
The World Tree has been attacked. It is just as the Great One, Plutomon.
Eto na ba yun?
Can't protect anyone. We must
Pal World Killer na ba to?
and this purpose alone were you born.
If that thing opens, then we'll be swarmed by Digimon.
Attack!
Please, everyone, lend me your strength
Everything's riding on
to
you.
move forward into the
We
future.
must fulfill our mission. Agent,
2025. October 3. Lapit na. Pal World Killer. Digimon Storytime Stranger. Square Enix. Creative Studio 3. Who?
Oh, Father.
Oh, shit.
Deliver us from our sins.
Tactics, man.
Salvation.
Final Fantasy No, don't tell me.
If you feel wrong, blame yourself or the father.
Why do you fight?
Don't tell me ganyan pa rin yung graphics. Oh, no.
The powerful must rule the weak. It is our duty.
Heavens fall upon your crown!
This vile charade has gone on long enough. It ends
My voice acting. Oh, man.
Do you remember when your father showed us how to make a whistle of a blade of grass?
Oh. Wait. Oh. Tagal kong hinintay itong itong Final Fantasy Tactics na to. Happy na hindi. Kasi ang na-expect kong remake nito is parang upgraded na yung may pagka Baldur's Gate 3 ang datingan ng graphics. Yun yung gusto ko sanang maging Final Fantasy Tactics remake. Pero okay na din, happy na rin na nabibigyan ng love tong Final Fantasy Tactics. May voice acting na malamang maganda din yung mga cutscenes nito, pero that just means na wala nang chance or matagal pa ulit bago magkaroon ng remake tong Final Fantasy Tactics. Oh no, I thought kala ko anyway, ina-expect ko talaga na gusto ko talaga mangyari dito sa Final Fantasy Tactics yung nangyari sa Final Fantasy 7 kasi Alam mo yun, sobrang ganda nitong game na to. Anyway, lalaroin ko pa rin yan. Let's go. Oh, September 30 na oh. Ivalice Chronicles.
Hi everyone, I'm Sean Benson.
And I'm Sid Schumann, here to deliver news and release dates for games coming to PS5 later this year.
We hope you enjoyed that first look at Final Fantasy Tactics: The Ivalice Chronicles. The game will include 2 versions of the original PlayStation Classic. The enhanced version, which features improved graphics, fully voiced dialogue, refined gameplay, and much more, as well as the classic version, which brings a faithful recreation of the 1997 original to modern
Who's gonna play that? Who's gonna play the classic, man?
Final Fantasy Tactics: The Ivalice Chronicles launches on PS5 and PS4 September 30th,
PS4, wow.
and will be available for pre-order later today.
Nice, pre-order na. Pre-order nyo na lahat.
This next game is something really special. When I first played it, I laughed so hard I almost barfed. Let's check it out.
Sana binuhos na lang nila yung budget sa ano, sa upgrading ng ano, ng graphics.
Just normal. Bad. Hey, just go behind this bush.
What is this?
I went away.
P-Shy.
No.
Yeah, no, you don't want me watching.
You can watch.
In baby steps, all you have to do is carefully place one foot in front of the other, which is easier said than done. Main character requires some pretty deliberate movement to make even the simplest progress. It's a captivating open-world experience filled with oddball characters.
Here we go. Knocker! Oh, no. You found it even without a map. The best toilet on the mountain. Oh, good.
What?
Definitely check this one out when it comes to PS5 September 8th.
Nice. Baby steps. Oh, man.
Hirogami is
Hirogami.
a action-adventure title from Bandai Namco Studios Singapore.
Puro Bandai Namco yata.
In this journey to save your origami home, you'll transform into paper shapes with distinct abilities, including a paper airplane,
Nice concept.
frog, a hardy armadillo,
Still, side-scrolling.
a powerful ape.
Platforming pala. Side-scroller.
Master the art of building when Hirogami arrives on PS5 later this summer.
Wow.
Sid, why don't you
Wala pang ano, wala pang magandang pinapakita.
The Hot Shot series has been with PlayStation
Final Fantasy,
from the very beginning.
well, yung ano, yung
Everybody's Golf Hot Shots
yung Silent Hill.
character roster ever. Compete in courses from 10 different regions around the world.
Lahat anime ah.
Each with weather effects and new nighttime variants. Pre-orders begin later today. And those who do will get Bandai Namco's iconic Pac-Man as an early unlockable character. Everybody's Golf Hot Shots drives onto PS5 September 5th.
Huh? Oh my god.
Ragebound is a challenging new entry in the long-running action franchise. From the
Another one, man.
Ragebound stars dual protagonists from rival clans forced to combine their souls and skills against a demon uprising.
Parang lahat ng pinakitang game, parang
Really love the Pulse
ano ba to?
soundtrack.
State of
Guest composers
State of
from the original
handheld gaming play. State of handheld gameplay. Kasi parang lahat ng game na pinapakita nila, ano, parang sobrang last gen na pwedeng laruin mo sa ano, sa Steam Deck, tsaka sa ROG, mga ano, ROG alay nyo.
From the game bakers, Cairn is a survival climbing experience where you must carefully plan your ascent up a deadly mountain.
Oh.
Manage balance and stamina to discover secrets.
That's interesting.
Hey! Hey, wait for me!
Encounter other climbers.
I'm Marco. Nice to meet you.
And survive the harsh conditions of the climb.
May pagka Death Stranding din.
You can give it a try yourself with a demo that arrives later.
Iron. Demo. Matry nga. Check natin kung
From us, but there's still a lot of
kung paano magiging mahirap yung pag-akyat. Depende sa controls.
At Digital Eclipse, nothing can prepare you for their next collection, arriving later this year.
We knew pretty early on that the game was fun to play. People were excited about it.
Oh my gosh.
The most rewarding part of it is just seeing people react to it.
We knew that we were onto something.
Digital Eclipse. What am I watching? State of Play.
This game exists.
State of Play 2005?
It became something that added to the mystique of Mortal Kombat fatality.
Mortal Kombat.
You a part of a world that is much larger.
So collection ng Mortal Kombat? Okay. Collection nga. Oh man. Yep. Another Steam Deck game. Another Steam Deck game here. Another handheld game.
Is an expression of who we were and what we wanted to do.
Mortal Kombat Legacy Collection. Prepare yourself. Wishlist? Nah, thank you. I want a new game, man. Well, maybe matagal-tagal pa naman. Whoa! Wait. Whoa! PS Vita 2 on. Doesn't look like. Ha! Mukhang, yan nga, iniisip ko eh. Mukhang fight stick eh. mukhang PS5 na rin yung fight sticks. PS5 na rin ba yan? Isasaksak mo na lang.
Patrol here. We have evidence of an enemy intruder.
Yun, no?
Formation.
Metal Gear.
That guy? No, he's close. Where did he go?
Nice. Angas.
Find him. We're under fire. Enemy position unknown.
Loading like this? It's a revolution. All right.
Para sa akin Metal Gear to, kaya nagagandahan tayo. Pero pag kinumpir mo yung graphics nito kumpara natin sa graphics ng Breakpoint, parang ang layo ng pagkakaiba. Sobrang makatotohanan na nung Breakpoint. Yung Ghost Recon Breakpoint, kung sino nakalaro doon. Parang ang layo. Magaganda lang tayo ngayon pag pinapanood natin to kasi Metal Gear eh. May may pangalan na eh. Tsaka maganda yung story nito compare sa sa mga Ghost Recon games. Pero yung Breakpoint talaga sobrang ganda nun, marang makatotohanan yung graphics. Tsaka isa pa, wala na rin bago dito eh.
What's the matter? I'm over here. Go back to your own world. See you in hell.
Pag sinabi kong wala namang bago dito, syempre of course yung graphics in-upgrade nila. Pero ganun pa rin eh. Same ng cutscenes na to, same ng gameplay. I mean, iba to dun sa sinasabi ko sa Final Fantasy Tactics. Kasi sa Final Fantasy Tactics, ang iniisip ko na gawin nila doon is parang gawin nilang parang Baldur's Gate 3. Yung talagang upgraded talaga lahat. Yung hindi na parang siyang cartoons, ganon. Yung graphics, yung parang gawin nilang graphics parang Final Fantasy 7. Tapos tactics ang gameplay. Yung tipong ganon, hindi yung tawag dito. Parang remastered version lang yung ginawa nila sa Final Fantasy Tactics. Compared dito, ito, in-upgrade lang nila yung graphics. So, parang kaya sinasabi kong parang gano'n na rin. Although, in-upgrade nila yung graphics, Sabi ko nga, parang mas maganda pa rin yung graphics ng Metal Gear Solid 5. Tsaka mga Ghost Recon. Angas, no? Angas tong ng title screen. Wow. Yo, hindi masyado hindi makatotohanan eh, pero yung mga camouflage na ganun ng ng Ghost Recon Breakpoint sobrang lupit.
Spirit stones. Shining stones imbued with humankind's never-ending dreams.
What is this?
Since time immemorial, this power has been the
Another Samurai Warriors again?
wars.
Team Ninja. Oh, wait.
Such an ominous atmosphere, and one thick with the presence of Aratama.
Neo? Nah.
What makes a shogun? Here is my answer.
Whoa. Bang! Ang Rise of the Ronin na naman May mga monster nga lang Oof. Neo. Neo?
To have entered the depths of hell.
Neo. Neo 3. Oh. Okay.
Who might you be, warrior?
Tokugawa.
Tokugawa, wow. Nice. Alright, Neo 3.
チーム忍者の安田です。戦国死にゲーシリーズの最新作「ニオ3」をついに発表させていただきました。今作のアクションはシリーズおなじみの侍スタイルに加え、新たに忍者スタイルを追加、より多彩な戦闘を楽しめます。ステージもオープンフィールドとなり、探索や攻略の自由度や没入感が大幅にアップしています。
Nilaro ko yung Rise of the Ronin, na-board ako sa
体験版も配信いたしますので、ぜひプレイして
さ
と思います。
sa mga missions
6年の発売に向け、続報にもぜひご期待ください。
So, open world ba to? Sinabi ba niya na open world? Mystery, silence, shadows.
No one knows how old the city really
VR. Oh, no.
is. All I've ever
Skip!
known.
VR lang to eh.
My whole world.
Vertigo game.
I was raised in this city's shadow. Free to take whatever I
Maze Theory.
to survive.
What is this? Thief? Thief VR? Eidos Montreal.
This city hides many lost and legendary treasures. Locked away, waiting to be found, waiting to be taken. But some treasures come with more trouble than others.
Okay. Thief VR. Lakas mong hula eh. Legacy of Shadow. Okay, babae na rin ang bida sa Thief. Okay.
Are you there yet?
All right.
Cleo has uncovered a formula for a cure.
Ooh. Napaka-colorful
Tower
Hey, you got some hosing?
Pati yung mga tato, oh. Puro colorful na colorful. Eh.
Damn it! It's gone! Someone beat us to it!
Ever since the Great Flood, Elend, my dear planet, has been dying. Plastemia has taken everything from us. But you Tidewalkers are all connected.
Hey, you! Stop right there!
And it's up to you now.
First person again. Choose who you follow. Uncover their choices. Hey?
Please, help me. Get down!
Tidewalkers, will you help us?
Why would I? Tides of Tomorrow. Mukhang maganda to ah. Tipong open-ended lahat ng ng choices.
Nicholas Ducey, the game director of Astrobot. It's a pleasure to be back today to share more
Astrobot. Wow, game of the year. Yeah.
Astro.
Yeah, mas dihamak na mas maganda sa Wukong. Let's go.
A few others we are truly grateful for. In October, we added 5 speedrun levels, followed by a Christmas special packed with festive surprises.
Actually, mukhang maganda nga talaga to.
This year,
Pang bata.
Void Galaxy made its appearance, adding yet more new challenging levels, all of which came at no additional cost. And today, I am pleased to announce that later this month, you will be able to enjoy 5 brand new challenge levels in Astrobot, bringing the total to a whopping 90 planets. And new special bots will be there too, including Atsu from Ghost of Yotei, alongside other fans' favorites, but these ones are a surprise.
Pero yung mga naman, no?
The Astrobot DualSense wireless controller will return later this year, with a slight twist, so be on the lookout for more news coming soon. From all of us at Team Asobi, thank you all for the amazing reception you gave our game, and enjoy the rest of the show.
Okay. You won't win another game of the year, man. See, remnants. Wow. Okay. Wait lang. So far, lampas na tayo sa kalahati. Parang, ilan pa lang yung games na parang gusto kong laruin. Final Fantasy Tactics, Silent Hill, Metal Gear Solid, gusto kong try. Yung umaakit sa bundok. At saka, Neo, parang hindi naman din kasi tinamad nga ako sa dun sa na-board nga ako dun sa last game nila na Rise of the Ronin eh. Pero so far wala pa talagang yung tipong lalaruin ko to, pre-order na. Hindi pong ganoon, wala pa eh. Parang halos lahat ng pinakita nilang games dito parang sobrang last gen pa. Hindi pong kayang-kaya ng ROG Ally mo tsaka Steam Deck, hindi pong ganoon.
Then it hit me all so clear. No old man just got a ship. Memories go, memories stay. We're chasing the sound of the waves. It always sways.
Copyright again.
Standing on the beach all day. Whoa, 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 whoa.
May pagka-Fable to ah. Hindi ka Fable to? Boom! Whoa! Wait, what? Kakaiba din yung graphics eh, no? Iba din yung style. Si Remnants coming 2026. Oo nga pala sinabi ng si Remnants nang inuhulaan ko pa na Fable. Oh. Wow, ito mukhang maganda. Giant Squid Presents. Di ba? May dating to eh. May dating. You know, yung tipong mga ganyan lang oh. Surfing simulator. Sword of the Sea. Uy! But nasa desert.
Hi everyone, I'm Kristen Zatani. That was a new look at Sword of the Sea, a visually striking adventure from the team behind Abzu and Papless. We're excited to announce that Sword of the Sea will launch this summer into the PlayStation Plus game catalog.
PlayStation Plus. Oh, definitely. I'll try that.
Remedy brings otherworldly action to game catalog.
Firebreak.
FBC Firebreak. In this cooperative FPS set in the paranatural world of Control,
Co-op.
you and two fellow agents must confront and contain the reality-warping chaos found within the oldest house. Fun in short bursts or deep dives,
Firebreak?
FBC Firebreak launches day one in the game catalog.
PlayStation Plus din, no? Okay.
The PlayStation Plus
Parang Killing Floor. Killing Floor ba yun?
titles this summer. The PS2 version of legendary immersive sim Deus Ex arrives
Deus Ex.
in July. Twisted Metal 3 and Twisted Metal
Yo!
Service
Okay.
just in time for the second season premiere of
Okay, game.
which
Lalaruin ko yan.
first in select countries, including Peacock in the US. Additionally, two of Capcom's most beloved games from the original PlayStation are set to join the Classics lineup.
Resident Evil 2?
2 and Resident Evil 3 will
Who
this
cares?
summer in the Classics catalog.
Who cares? Na-remake na eh.
Additionally, Myst and Riven will arrive later this month as part of the Days of Play celebration, running now through June 11th. Days of Play is a 2-week event that includes bonus PlayStation Plus content drops, great deals on software and hardware, and more. Visit PlayStation Blog and PlayStation.com for full details.
His parents cut their own rope to save him. He watched
Ito na ba yun? Ito na ba hinihintay natin?
off that mountain.
Ito na ba hinihintay ko?
He was 11 years old.
He then
101? Amazon?
major boarding
Oh, wait.
Always at the top of his class.
always at odds with authority. Same thing in the Navy.
His superior
Mind's Eye ba to?
his instincts.
And they're
Ito ba
all
yun?
in need of early retirement. Nobody knows what to do with him, Mom.
Parang hindi.
No, and I suspect he feels the same way. But what he did in Iceland.
Uy, parang gusto ko to.
Iceland was insubordination. It was ill-disciplined.
Ito ang sinasabi kong bago.
He only survived thanks to blind luck. Give me one good reason to put him in the program, Mom.
I think you just covered them all, Greenway. It's really quite simple. Bomb,
Hey.
bullet without a target.
Hey.
Let's
Uncharted? Uy. James Bond, man.
James Bond.
Nice.
You are? Don't think we've had the pleasure.
Now let's not get ahead of ourselves.
Lupet. Let's go. Ito gusto ko.
Shouldn't have.
Open world ba to? Parang Uncharted. Woo.
We're facing a situation of the utmost delicacy. I need all my pieces on the board.
009 is a master manipulator. Whatever the end game is, we won't see it coming.
Yo. Alam, yung graphics hindi pa rin ano eh. Pang next gen talaga eh.
She's not your friend, Bond. She's an asset.
With respect, Mom.
May pagka naalala ko dito yung ano, Alpha Protocol, kung sino nakakalam sa inyo nun. Yung RPG na espionage game, Alpha Protocol.
Tell me, what do you do, James? Lately, headhunting.
All right. Whoa. Oh. First light. 007. Nice. Woohoo. Medyo umaangat na yung games nila. Ay.
Teachable moment.
Let's go. First light. 007. Lalaroin ko to. Sobrang fan ako ng 24 TV series eh. Kaya gusto ko yung mga game na ganito. Mga agent.
I'm Abrak, CEO of Iron Interactive.
Pero sana i-upgrade pa nila yung graphics, yung parang Uncharted 4.
First Light. You'll experience
maganda yung mga
young
cutscenes.
air crewman in the Royal Navy. Before the tuxedo and the martinis, as he first steps into the world of espionage, striving to earn his 00 status. Everyone at Iron Interactive has poured the passion and
Pero
dedication.
parang mukhang bata si James Bond dito.
Honors the legacy of Bond, harnessing our 25 years of agent expertise. This is just the beginning of our journey with 007, and we can't wait to share more with you soon.
Nilaro ko din yung dating yung old school na James Bond na game na third person. Nagandahan din ako dun kasi parang siya parang Splinter Cell din siya. Ganda rin yun. Kalimutan ko yung pangalan, search ko. Uy, Ghost of Yotei.
You're still with me?
Ghost of Yotei. Before tayo mag-proceed, Ghost of Yotei, I strongly hope na iba tong Ghost of Yotei na to sa Ghost of Tsushima 2. Kasi gusto ko pa rin malaro yung story ni Jin Sakai. Sana Ghost of Yotei hindi to yung yung sequel talaga. Sana meron pa rin sana makuha pa rin natin yung Ghost of Tsushima 2. Gameplay deep dive July. Okay. Alright. Magre-react din tayo doon. Arc System Works. Whoa, wait.
ビブラニウムのシールドだけでは私のアーマーには勝てないぞ。
Avengers Japan. Whoa! Wait! Fighting game! Kaya pala naglabas kayo ng fighting stick, ha? Fight stick pala. What? Naguluhan ako bigla. Ang kulit, no? Nakakatuwa lang na pinili nila Japanese voice para ipakita yung ano, yung game reveal. Angas ni ano, Star-Lord. Patay ka. Bang! Diyan na. Marvel? Lalabas pa si Ryu dito? Marvel vs. Capcom ba to? Labas nyo na! 4v4. So, ang kulit ni Iron Man eh, no? Anime na anime ang datingan eh. Boom! Tokon Fighting Souls. Marvel Tokon Fighting Souls. Meron na akong ano, iniisip ko, bakit yung mga games na pinapakita nila ngayon parang last gen games? Siguro malapit na nilang i-announce yung ano eh, yung PS5, PlayStation Vita 2 or PSP 3. Siguro pwede, para lahat ng games na pinapakita nila pwedeng kayang-kaya nung ano, nung bagong device na ilalabas nila, no? Malaking possibility. Katulad nung Final Fantasy Tactics, di ba? PS4 pa. PS4, lalabas nila bagong game sa PS4. Di ba? Tapos yung ibang game parang ano, sobrang baba ng ano, hindi siya pang next gen na graphics. I see. Malaki ang possibility na in the next few months or maybe ngayon i-announce na nila yung ano, yung PSP 3. Sana. Wow. Meron pa? What? Kala ko graphics ng game. Sabi ko, wow! Biglang na-upgrade yung graphics. Biglang gumanda yung
友人から急になんか飲みに行こうぜっていう連絡が来て、なんのこっちゃと思って、予定合わせて行ったんですけど、ちょっと飲んでる中で実はアクの方でマーベルの格闘ゲームを作ってみないかというような提案をいただきまして、いや本当に聞いた時はびっくりしましたね。で、世界的に本当に有名な IP ですし、光栄だなと思いつつも、まず本当にうちの会社で大丈夫かなという不安もあり。
Sobrang naging anime. State of anime play or state of handheld gameplay.
The inspiration for working on this
What?
project.
Alam na namin, fighting game yan.
Pure fandom and wanting to say, why isn't PlayStation in this space?
So PlayStation approached us with this vision to bring Marvel back to the forefront of the tag fighting genre. And that got us really excited because we had worked with them before on successful stuff like the Marvel Spider-Man franchise with Insomniac.
No, para maging number 1 ulit kayo, dapat sinama nyo yung Street Fighter.
Let them know, hey, you know, we're thinking about approaching a company like Arc System Works to make a fighting game. We'd love to partner with you to do this really great collaboration. Would you be interested?
When they named the developer, that really perked up our ears. It's always refreshing to work with a team that will take on the challenge of tackling Marvel, putting their own spin on it, and they're just uppercutting that challenge into the stratosphere. And that's what you get with this team. I mean, they couldn't make something boring if they tried.
社長からも本当に作れるんだったらぜひやりたいねっていうことを言われました。まあ話を受けてしまった以上これは私がプロデューサーなのかなっていうところで。
The tricky thing is that most fans, including myself, see this as a sacred genre for Marvel. The tough part is finding a partner that's crazy enough to take on the task, because you either do something like this big and bold, or you don't do it at all.
I feel like I have a good grasp on their art style and how they would approach certain IPs. You come in with your kind of own expectations of, here's what I would expect to see from Arc System Works when they take on a Marvel IP. And what came up was something that went beyond that.
一番最初にマーベルさんに提出した時はなんとなくマイケルさん
Para sa akin masyadong gamit na gamit na sa ngayon yung Marvel
印象があって
franchise.
何がまずいのかなっていろいろこう
Kakalabas lang ng Marvel Rivals eh.
もっとアークのやりたいマーベルを
Kung siguro ni-remake nila yung X-Men versus Street Fighter.
The first time I saw
Para mas ano pa yun? May
was really when I felt
mas malaki pa yung possibility.
なので今回のアイアンマンのデザインを皆さんご覧いただければ分かると思うんですけどもかなりこう日本らしいアークシステムワークスらしいデザインっていうのが
Kasi ganun na ganun pa rin yung mga character na nakikita mo dito eh.
反応がすこぶる良くてあこれなんだみたいないう感じで
Iron Man is supposed to be the sleek fighter jet, think luxury race car mixed with a brick house. And the fact that they added anime mech elements to him just felt really naturally at home.
One of the mantras that we have for this project is from Japan to the world, and really trying to take not just the IP but gameplay mechanics and say what can we really take from Japan, the creators that are doing awesome work here, and bring that to the global platform.
まあ特別なところいっぱいあるんですけど、まあ本当にやっぱり強調すべきは、まあ格闘ゲームのチームバトルの中では4対4というのがまず本当に意欲的で挑戦的なところだというところと
When Arc looks at these Marvel characters, it's not simply just the visuals, it's also the gameplay mechanics and adding in that what is that pop, what is going to be something that's different. Up until now, you've seen tag fighters that have 2v2, 3v3. We felt like we just had to go 4v4. And in doing so, we found a lot of unique and fun ways to change up the gameplay that I think players are going to be very excited to see.
Okay.
4対4という
Wow, ang tagal nito ah.
チャレンジしている中で4キャラクター練習しないと勝てないんじゃないの
Talagang binibenta nila nitong
Learning 4 characters is extremely daunting.
Tagal,
but
ah.
the team at Arc System Works has found a way to design a system that adapts to your playstyle. So you could either duke it out as just the leader and 3 assists, or you can tag in your assists to swap the leader and change the matchup on the fly.
I don't think a lot of people thought this day would be here. Would come.
Usually ganun naman talaga yung fighting game ah.
An awesome journey, and I'm excited that we get to be able to share it with all the fans out there.
I'll tell you right now, a lot of fighting games, they never get to experience this level of production, and it's just a dream to even be working with these two great partners.
それは決してビジネスという枠組みではなくて、
Wow, sobrang ano.
強い思いの中でこのタイトルを成功
Tagal ng exposure nitong game na to.
届けようと
The 3 companies have come together to do this, and I think we really are going to make something magical here.
このタイトルですね、まだまだ開発途中ではありますが続々とキャラクターも発表していきたいと思いますしキャラクター以外のコンテンツというところも今後いろいろ出ていくと思います。今しばらく楽しみにお待ちいただければなと思います。 Stay tuned.
Tama na! Wala na kayo iba papakita! Nakita na! Paulit-ulit na! Marvel Tokon. Ino yun?
You're still with me?
No! Yun na yun! Ah, man!
It seems the upcoming battle is truly unavoidable.
Ayun, Pragmata. Yun, malamang lalaroin ko yung Pragmata. Maganda yun. Mukhang maganda. Eto, ewan ko. Hindi ko alam. Eto din, hindi din yan. Uppercut. Nah. Mas pipiliin kong laruin yung ano, yung James Bond 007 kesa sa Metal Gear. That's it. Oh man. Meron pa ba? Wala na. Yun na yun. Wow. Oh. Inaasahan ko ipakita yung Final Fantasy Tactics. Pinakita nga. Pero hindi yun yung inaasahan kong Final Fantasy Tactics. Sana naman binigyan pa nila ng konting love pa yung Final Fantasy Tactics at in-upgrade nila lahat. Oh. Anyway, hindi ko alam sa inyo, pero sa akin medyo hindi ako masyadong nagandahan. Siguro ang mga pwede kong laruin dito, Pragmata, Silent Hill, Final Fantasy Tactics of course, Ghost of Yotei, lalaruin ko yan, pero just like I said, sana yung Ghost of Yotei, hindi yun yung Ghost of Tsushima 2 talaga. Sana makuha pa rin natin. Sana ibigay pa rin natin. Sana gumawa pa rin talaga sila ng Ghost of Tsushima 2 official. Nandiyan si Jin Sakai ulit yung bida. Tapos, ano pa ba? Silent Hill. Eto, lalaroin ko to, pero, you know, tingnan mo naman. Lalaroin ko yan. Bloodstained, pass. Simulan natin dito. Lumines, of course, pass tayo dyan. Pragmata. Ito lalaroin ko to. Maganda to. Mukhang maganda to. Mukhang malupit tong Pragmata. Mukhang malalim ang story nito. May pagka Death Stranding siya na ano no? Na Mass Effect Andromeda ang datingan. Romeo is Dead Man. Ang tingin ko dito parang Dead Rising talaga eh. Parang nag-iba lang sila ng ng tema oh. Kung siguro yung game na to ganito yung graphics, baka nilaro ko pa eh. Baka nilaro ko pa to sa ROG Ally. Pero ewan ko, let's see. Kung magiging laro to sa PlayStation Plus, why not? Silent Hill, of course, lalaroin natin to. Man. Hinaan lang natin para may sound pa rin. Bloodstained, ito. Hindi na talaga ako fan ng ganitong genre eh. Tapos ang kulit pa parang parang anime old school style na lahat ng moves sinasabi eh. Cross kick. Final slash. Digimon, pwede. Kaya lang, yung mga ganito. Yung mga graphics na pinakita nila, sabihin na natin ito. Pragmata, ito lang yung magandang graphics talaga na nakikita ko eh. Romeo is Dead Man, mukhang hindi siya, next gen graphics din. Silent Hill, mukhang maganda siya pero parang kayang-kaya ng Steam Deck mo. Ito, last gen talaga to. Ito din, Digimon, Final Fantasy Tactics. Dito talaga ako medyo natuwa medyo na-disappoint eh. Kasi tignan mo, ginawa nila to, dalawang gameplay, dalawang style ng game sa isa. Classic Classic tsaka ang tawag nila dun sa isa. Basta yung parang ano remastered nila. Okay. Fight stick. Oh. What is this? Yung ano, yung golf. Tapos yung Mortal Kombat, malamang, pasa ko dyan. Gagawin ko dyan. Ninja Gaiden, isa pa to. Oh. Mga pang PSP3 yata itong mga game na Baby Steps. Neo. Ito, Neo, pwede pa. Kaya lang ano medyo stressful yung mga ganitong game Baka mag-pass din ako dyan. Thief, para sa VR lang. Tides of Tomorrow, ito, medyo maganda siya. Tingin ko. Kasi ano siya para siyang yung story based on sa mga choices mo. Mukhang maganda yan. Astrobot. Wala akong pake sa Astrobot. Sea of Remnants. Sword of the Sea. Ito, mukhang maganda to. Mukhang maganda tong Sword of the Sea. Parang relaxing game lang siya. Pang Steam Deck lang. Pang PSP3. Pang ROG Ally. Yung datingan ng graphics. Tipong walang mabibigat na game nga ngayon Eto, 100% sure. Lalaroin ko to. James Bond. First Light. Nice. Grabe yung kinain ng ng Marvel Tokon. Fighting Souls. Grabe. Ang haba nun Sino maglalaro? Oh my gosh. Marvel Tokon fighting game. Lahat ng Marvel fans busy pa sa Marvel Rivals Anyway, yun lang. Yun na yun. State of Play 2025. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Oy, tsaka nga pala. Yung narinig ko may yung bang tawag doon, State of Unreal ba yun? Hindi ko pa napapanood yun. Gawan din natin ng reaction. Yun lang. Thank you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Final Fantasy Tactics.